amount of money or success can take the place of time spent with your family. The generation nowadays have decreased the time of spending quality time with their families. Most of the kids these days are busy with their schoolwork or are busy scrolling to social media. The kids have forgotten that they have received most of their moral values from their elder ones. Finding quality time in this generation can be a challenge but not impossible. Studies have found that families who spend more time together share a stronger bond and relationship. Some of the reasons why spending quality time with your family is more important than you think are: it builds our self-esteem. Children who spend more quality time with their family have more self-confidence. It creates bonds. It helps us develop a stronger tie with our family. It nurtures positive behavior. Kids will start to develop positive behavior because loved ones influence them. It creates memories. While spending time with your family, kids tend to share more information. Healthier lifestyle. Spending time with your family will make our lifestyle much more healthier than before. Finally, it relieves stress. Chatting with our loved ones reduces our stress. Talking about worries eases it. Thank you.